Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word nouveau. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is nouveau. Let's break it down. First, we have new, which sounds like new. Next is veau, which rhymes with go and has a long O sound. Now let's put it all together. Nouveau. Try repeating after me, nouveau. Now a little faster, nouveau. And at full speed, nouveau. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Nouveau refers to something that is new or recently created, often used in phrases like nouveau riche to describe people who have recently acquired wealth. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce nouveau and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.